Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. So, I'm just you guys advice. So I seen you guys comment yesterday. I'm gonna just do this video right now. It's not gonna be no editing, but let me know in the comment section below. Will you be interested in some content like this? So let me drop the comment section below. But let's get into the video. So I seen the comments yesterday on what kind of content y'all want me to thumbnail right quick. So we're gonna do it. The guy said he wanted to see like 1,000 to 100,000 car flipping. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it two ways. So this is something like this. Y'all know, y'all gotta. I'm gonna show y'all what $1,000 car looks like. This is kind of what a $1,000 car may look like. You might be able to find something a little bit nicer, but this one's a little bit dirty. But you know, this one's dirty right now. You know, it's very dirty. Gotta take it to the detail. Gotta take it to the detail shop. Got a key for it, but it ain't got no check engine lights on. It's got like the traction control light, but that ain't much of nothing. That ain't nothing. That's probably just a couple fuses or something that's out. But yeah, so I seen what he said, 1,000 to 100K the car flipping. So we're gonna do it a little different. I'm just gonna start this one up right quick. Got a little seat cover in there. Start right up. Only thing on it is just tire pressure, just everything, just probably just a sensor and some low washer fluid. But yeah, so get that thumbnail. So I'm gonna do it two different ways. Let me go sit in my car right quick. Let me sit in my car and talk to you right quick. So I'm gonna probably try to kick this off at the beginning of next year or next week or sometime, probably within the next week. Probably start off at the beginning of next year and let it kind of be like a race type of thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the auction. I'm gonna go to the auction and see if I can find something at the auction, but also I'm gonna be looking on like backlots and like ACV. And what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna let you guys pick a car. So it's gonna be a $2,000 flip. So I'm gonna see if we can get to 200K. You know, I know the cars ain't gonna flip that quick or something like that. But who knows? We never know how quick those cars are gonna flip. So this is what's gonna happen. Is I'm gonna take 1,000 and I'm gonna buy me a car and I'm gonna flip it. And that's why I'm gonna make a Discord, so I'll probably show more of this like in Discord. So if you want to be a member of this, like I'll show it on the YouTube videos too, but it'll probably be more in depth in the Discord. But I'm gonna get y'all the link for the Discord. I'm gonna pin the link to the Discord on here. So if you want to join, it ain't nothing. I haven't set anything up yet because it's still a work in progress. But if you just guys want to join, y'all can join. I'm gonna put the link in the description. But I'm just gonna take 1,000 for you guys and then 1,000 for me, and I'm gonna let y'all guys be the car seller. So y'all gonna have the 1,000. Y'all gonna pick the car. And then I'm gonna let y'all pick the car. Y'all gonna tell me what I'm gonna do to the car. Y'all gonna tell me what I'm gonna post the car for, and tell me what's the most I can, what I should post it for, and then I want y'all to tell me the least that I can take for the vehicle. So, and then I'm gonna post my own. I'm gonna have my own car that I'm gonna fix up, and sell on my own. So it's gonna be me versus you guys. So that's basically what it's gonna be, me versus you. Basically, that's it. We're gonna race. I'm gonna see how good, you know, how would y'all sell a car. So y'all gonna be the ones agreed to pick out the car, and y'all gonna be the ones that make the post for the car. Y'all gonna tell me what I priced the car for. Y'all gonna tell me the minimum that I can take, and that car can't sell unless I get the minimum. And I'm gonna whatever, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna list the car. I'm gonna show y'all the ad that I listed the car for, and I'm gonna take screenshots until the car gets sold for the price that y'all wanted to get sold at. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on how many views that it gets, like clicks and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna show y'all like all the people that's been messaging on the car. I'm obviously gonna click their name out and stuff like that, but I'm gonna message y'all to see what type of messages that show y'all the type of messages that I get on the cars. And so I'm gonna show y'all that, and then I'm gonna show y'all my car buying process too. So that's gonna be that. So it's basically gonna be cause I want to see how cause I know a lot of people watch my videos, so I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna let y'all create an ad on what the ad should say. I'm gonna take advice from all y'all and put what y'all say all on the ad, what all should be placed in the ad. I'm gonna take good pictures of the car, so y'all ain't gotta worry about the pictures. I'll take some good pictures of the car. I want y'all to price the car, and I want y'all to tell me what I can sell it for, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I post my ads. So I'm gonna show y'all how I post my ads and taking pictures and stuff like that. So that's what it's gonna be doing. So it's gonna be the 1K to 100K. Don't know how quickly we'll get there, but even if we started at the beginning of the year and we did 1K, let's say y'all got a 1K car, I got a 1K car, and it took us all year, and hey, that's 200K. You can't really beat that. But yeah, it's gonna be me versus you. And I want to see y'all car selling skills. I want y'all to be involved. I want my community to be involved. I want y'all to be involved. I want to see y'all car selling skills and y'all car selling knowledge. And if y'all buy a lemon, because we're gonna do auction walk around, and we're gonna pick out a 5 or 6 cars to choose from, and I'm gonna stay at the auction all day with the budget. And so I'm gonna try to go the day before, or I might just try to like live stream the auction. I might just go live at the auction the morning of the auction, and then I'll get to the auction at like 8 o'clock, like an hour before it starts, and then I can go live, and then I can show y'all everything, and then y'all pick out the cars, and then I'll go bid on them. And then that'll be y'all cars, and I'll show you what I'm interested in, and that'll be my car, and then we'll start from there. That's how we're gonna do it. That's how we're gonna do it. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Let me know if y'all like this content idea. So it's basically me versus y'all. 1,000 to 100K car flipping challenge. I'm out. Peace.